Welcome back to TechVibe, the only place you need to be for the most exclusive, high-end technology leaks on the planet. If you are a wildlife photographer, a sports shooter, or just a die-hard Canon fan, you are going to want to sit down for this one. For months, the internet has been completely flooded with whispers about the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. Some people are calling it the baby R1, while others are saying it is the absolute death of full-frame superiority. But what is actually true and what is just clickbait? Today we are tearing away the curtain. We have secured the latest, most authentic, confidential leaks and FCC certification details about the R7 Mark II. And let me tell you, this camera is packing firepower that no one saw coming. We are talking about a completely new sensor architecture, insane burst rates, and a massive body redesign. But there is a massive catch regarding the release date and the price tag that you absolutely need to know before you even think about selling your current gear. Make sure you watch every single second of this video, because the detail we reveal at the very end regarding its launch window might completely change your upgrade strategy for this year. Let us start with the absolute heart of the camera, the sensor. The original Canon EOS R7 was a massive hit, giving photographers incredible reach with its APS-C crop factor and 32.5 megapixels. But it had one glaring weakness that drove action shooters crazy: rolling shutter. When you panned quickly to track a bird in flight or a fast-moving vehicle, the background would warp, and the electronic shutter became almost unusable in high-speed scenarios. Well, Canon has heard the complaints loud and clear. According to the most recent highly credible leaks, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is stepping up to the major leagues with a brand new 39-megapixel backside illuminated stacked CMOS sensor. Yes, you heard that right. A stacked sensor in an APS-C body. This is a monumental shift. By moving to a stacked sensor design, the readout speed is going to be blistering fast, putting it dangerously close to the performance of the EOS R5 Mark II. This means rolling shutter will be virtually eliminated, allowing you to use the electronic shutter for high-speed action without worrying about warped wings, bent golf clubs, or distorted backgrounds. For wildlife and sports photographers, this alone is the ultimate game changer, providing the speed of a flagship professional camera in a crop sensor package that gives your lenses that beautiful 1.6 times reach advantage. But a stacked sensor alone is not enough to push boundaries, which brings us to the processing power. To handle the massive data pipeline of a 39-megapixel stacked sensor, the R7 Mark II is rumored to feature the DIGIC Accelerator alongside the main DIGIC X processor. This dual-processor architecture is straight out of Canon's top-tier professional playbook. Because of this insane processing muscle, the R7 Mark II will reportedly be capable of shooting at an unbelievable 40 frames per second using the electronic shutter. Imagine capturing 40 full-resolution RAW files every single second. You will never miss the decisive moment again. Whether it is a cheetah sprinting or a hawk diving for its prey, 40 frames per second guarantees you get the perfect wing position or the exact moment of impact. And to make sure you actually catch the action, the camera will fully support pre-continuous capture in RAW format. This means the camera starts buffering images the moment you half-press the shutter button, saving the shots from before you even fully pressed it. If your reaction time is just a fraction of a second too slow, the camera saves you. Now, shooting at 40 frames per second generates an ocean of data, which was another bottleneck for the original R7. Its dual SD card slots simply could not clear the buffer fast enough for serious professional work. Canon is fixing this in a big way. The R7 Mark II is heavily rumored to drop the dual SD slot configuration in favor of one CFexpress Type B slot and one UHS-2 SD card slot. This is exactly what professionals have been begging for. The CFexpress slot will allow the buffer to clear almost instantly, meaning you can shoot long, sustained bursts of 39-megapixel RAW files without the camera locking up and forcing you to wait. It also opens the door for much higher bitrate video recording. While specific video features are still heavily guarded, the inclusion of a stacked sensor, improved cooling, and a CFexpress slot heavily implies we could be looking at oversampled 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, or perhaps even 8K video capabilities. All of this performance requires serious power and heat management, which brings us to the physical design of the camera. The R7 Mark II is not just getting internal upgrades. The body is receiving a massive overhaul. Leaks suggest the ergonomics will closely resemble the upcoming EOS R6 Mark III. This means a slightly larger, more robust body that feels much better balanced when paired with massive super telephoto lenses like the RF 100 to 500mm or the RF 200 to 800mm. Gone is the somewhat cramped feel of the original R7. And powering this absolute beast is the new LPE6P battery. This higher voltage battery was recently introduced by Canon to handle the massive power draw of advanced features like pre-capture and high frame rate video. The fact that the FCC certifications confirm the use of this battery in the new body is the ultimate proof that the R7 Mark II is a high-performance, power-hungry professional tool. Furthermore, the in-body image stabilization is getting a significant bump, reportedly offering up to 8.5 stops of shake correction when paired with compatible RF lenses. This will make shooting handheld at extreme focal lengths easier and sharper than ever before. But right here is where things take a serious turn, and why you need to pay close attention to your budget and your timeline. If you remember the original R7, it launched at an incredibly aggressive price of $1,499. It was the ultimate bargain for wildlife shooters. Do not expect that this time around. With the implementation of a 39-megapixel stacked sensor, a DIGIC Accelerator, CFexpress compatibility, and a larger professional body, the manufacturing costs have skyrocketed. Rumors suggest the launch price will be significantly higher than its predecessor. We are likely looking at a price tag comfortably crossing the $2,000 mark, potentially landing anywhere between $2,300 and $2,500. It is shifting from an entry-level wildlife camera to a true professional-grade APS-C flagship, stepping into the exact same territory as the legendary 7D Mark II did back in the DSLR era. And finally, the most controversial part of the entire leak, the release date. For the past few months, the entire industry expected Canon to announce the R7 Mark II in May or June of 2026, right before major summer sporting events. FCC confidentiality agreements pointed directly to a mid-June reveal. However, the latest intel from industry insiders suggests a frustrating delay. Canon has been pushing its full-frame lineup heavily, and recent roadmap leaks indicate that the company might prioritize the release of the EOS R6 Mark III or other full-frame bodies first. This means the R7 Mark II might not actually hit store shelves until later, forcing photographers to wait longer than expected. If you have been holding out for this camera, you are now facing a very difficult decision. Do you keep waiting for what is undoubtedly going to be the most powerful APS-C camera Canon has ever built? Or do you bite the bullet and invest in an R5 Mark II or a discounted original R7 today? The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is shaping up to be an absolute monster. An uncompromising tool designed for photographers who need speed, reach, and flawless autofocus without the full-frame price tag of an R1. But the higher price and the delayed timeline are bitter pills to swallow. What do you think about these leaked specs? Is a 39-megapixel stacked sensor worth paying over $2,000? And more importantly, are you willing to wait to get your hands on it? Let us know your thoughts down in the comments right now, because we read every single one of them. If this video helped you understand what is really going on behind the scenes at Canon, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another exclusive leak. This has been TechVibe, bringing you the future of technology before it even happens. Stay sharp, keep shooting, and we will see you in the next video.